Google Search Console is going to be your new best friend. So you just click Start Now, and I already have it set up for this website, but let me show you adding a new website. So I'm typing in the domain name here, and then it's going to give me a record to use to verify. So I'm going to go over to where my domain lives, where I purchased it, which is Squarespace Domains. Going to go to the DNS settings and add a new text record. So we'll come down here to custom records, add a record, and then say that it is a txt type. Come back over here, copy that, and put it in the text area. Now the host, you put the @ symbol. That just means it covers everything. Okay, simple as that. It's verified. So we come to the property, but there's nothing here yet. We're going to put in a sitemap. Sitemaps are very useful, so I'm coming back over to my website builder under settings and domains. Then I can create a sitemap for this page. Manage, and this is Go HighLevel, by the way. So on the 3 dots here, we go to create a sitemap. We can choose what parts of the website are included in the sitemap. This is very helpful for SEO. So we're going to generate and save, and then we will copy this link here and then bring it over to sitemap in the Google Search Console. Add a new sitemap, paste it in, submit, give it a few moments, and successful. So that is going to help it. But let me come back over here to websitetrafficschool.org. You can see that you can see a lot of things like the search terms, and I have a blog post on this topic of Etsy, and it's not what I want to be found for, so I got to work on that. Okay, so let me pause for a moment to say we're going to switch back over to financially free author, and we're going to index a page. So this is what you do when you need it to be found on Google. If you haven't submitted a sitemap especially, your website may not have been crawled, but whenever you create a new blog post, it doesn't hurt. It's a good idea to request it to be indexed. So here I'm pasting that blog post URL in at the top, and look, it found it is not on Google. You know, we just did the sitemap, so I guess it's not surprising, but that blog post has been up for a while. So we're going to click request indexing. It's testing if it can be indexed, and then submitting, and now it has been requested. So once I dismiss that, you'll see that this changes over here to index requested, and then if you change the page, you can request indexing again. This is going to make a huge difference for your SEO. Every time you write a new blog post, request the indexing in there and play around in Google Search Console. There's a ton of information that it can give you about how you can be better optimizing your website for SEO.